do. No one else makes me feel this way.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Becca. I'm a mom to 3 boys and a military spouse. And over here on Happily Ever Becca, I do a lot of cleaning content. And I had some extra time this week, so I wanted to toss in a bonus cleaning routine video. This is my nighttime cleaning routine. Dinner is actually in the oven right now. The kids are playing and burning some energy. I just made myself a iced coffee. We kept it super simple today, and I just tossed some pizzas in the oven for us tonight. But I figured, why not share with you guys my nighttime cleaning routine? It's pretty much the same every night. Some nights I don't get around to it. Most nights I do. I love waking up to a clean kitchen and a spotless downstairs, you know, as spotless as can be, so that we can start our day with a fresh slate. So let's hop into this and start cleaning. I typically, when dinner is cooking, I typically clean up as much as I can from like the daily mess, like the dishes. We have a bunch of dishes in the sink. I'm gonna get started on those, probably get started on other areas too while dinner's cooking. So let's start working on those dishes.
What you do, hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything, as long as I can be here with you. Everything's alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. I don't know where she came from, kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts, so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gonna miss her so, I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud.
Okay, we just finished up eating dinner and it's gonna be an easy cleanup because I used tin foil, so those pans will be good. Just throw away the tin foil, put the extra pizza in a container. And I already did the dishes pretty much, and I need to clean up the dining room table and wipe down the kitchen counters. And then we're gonna do our nightly cleanup of like the back entryway and the living room. Those areas are not usually too bad by the end of the day, but the back entryway usually gets pretty messy because that's where everybody drops their bags and their shoes and all of that. So we're gonna clean up that area as well. But yeah. Right now, I would just typically, Chris goes upstairs with the kids. He's hanging out with them, getting them ready for bed, and I'm gonna finish up cleaning up down here.
Ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. Upside down, I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night with her, bring one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Only time will tell. Why do you keep telling me nothing? But I know all your flaws, at least they say something. Still I try to connect with you through your eyes. Your eyes. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me.
All right, here is the back hallway. It's actually not too bad today. Most days it's way worse than this, but this is actually just a quick pickup, so won't be too bad. I wanted to show you really quick too, these new slippers that I got that everybody buys basically on Instagram. I finally just did it. I've always thought they were super cute. They are so stinking comfortable. They're very, very comfortable. I'm so happy I did it. I will have them linked in the description box down below if you're interested.
Something that goes beyond us. I still want all of you, and I know all your colors. And I guess because of that, I can think of no others. Yeah, I need you to breathe. Without you, I'm lost.
Moving on to the living room, which once again is not too bad today. Thankfully, we were busy today and weren't home all day, so not that much of a mess, thankfully. So we're gonna clean this up and get it all taken care of.
What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Only time will tell.
Now I'm gonna put up all of the stools and everything like that because I like to run the robot vacuum at night. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that stuff up so it's not in the way for the vacuum to be able to get underneath this area, because under those chairs or those stools or whatever, it gets very messy throughout the day, because that's where we all kind of sit to have snacks and breakfast and graze and everything. So it just gets very messy and a lot of crumbs accumulate over there throughout the day. So I'm gonna toss those up on here and get the robot vacuum going.
Work it out. No, no. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us.
All right, friends, I want to thank you so much for choosing to click on this video today. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, let me know in the comments down below. I appreciate you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I know this is a little bit of a different video, but that's the fun in these bonus videos. They don't have to be as structured. They can just kind of be for fun. So let me know if you liked this style of video, if you'd like to see more things like this, cleaning related. I would love to keep doing like cleaning routines and a little bit more like talking to the camera. So if you would enjoy that, let me know for sure. Sunday, I will have a new cleaning video out and ready to go for you. But yeah, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That really helps my channel. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.
Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't